Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit the footer in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my email, my username and password. To show you how to edit the footer, I will create a regular email as an example. I will go directly to the design email step. Let's work with this white template. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on this section or box. Now, as you can see, these are called merge tags. You can delete this merge tag just like that, and you can insert 2024. But in the next year, 2025, it will not be updated because it's a static text. So it is better to use to keep this merge tag. Same thing with your mailing address and information. All of these merge tags are dynamic text that will transform to the correct information. This is the list. This is your company. This is your archive page description, your mailing address here. Now to edit the information that these merge tags convert to, click on this edit contact info. You can edit. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And edit this text that reminds people how they sign up to your audience. You can also edit your company and information, your contact name, email address, your address and website. For example, let's edit this text. For example, just add another Y, save this contact information, and let's preview this email. Now scroll down to the footer. As you can see, now my text or my sentence that I used to remind people how they sign up, it is updated with a second Y. You can also remove parts of this footer just like that, or edit the order like that. And this is how to edit the footer in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.